Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope all of you are doing super well. And in this video, I wanted to share with you some information on the power of customer misbehavior. Now, it's not that customers are kind of misbehaving with you in the bad way and that's kind of powerful. No, it's totally different. And I read this from the book inspired by Marty Cagan and it was super interesting and I wanted to share it with all of you. So whatever content I'm giving in this video, it's totally from the book inspired by Marty Cagan. So all credits goes to Marty Cagan. So let's get into it. So first of all, a business builds a solution. Why? To gain profit indirectly and to solve a particular customer's problem. So how do they identify opportunities and start solving problems? So one is they follow the market trends as to what are the lucrative areas where people are seeking for solutions, what are the problems the market segment is kind of facing, and then they identify opportunities. The second one is to kind of follow technological trends to see what are all the different trends in technology and how they can leverage technology to build their products, scale products, or to even build innovative products. So apart from these two, the third alternative that Marty Cagan gives is to use the power of customer behavior. And let me break this down for you. So customer misbehavior. So there was this book written by Mike Fisher, one of the friends of Marty Cagan, which is called as The Power of Customer Misbehavior, which means that you give your product to a customer and kind of observe how customers are using your product. Now, as product teams, we build products with an idea and with a particular intention and with a type of perspective in our mind as to the intended use of that product. So whenever we build a product, we know that this is the intended use of the product. This is how we anticipate how customers would use our product. But sometimes, surprisingly, there might be different behaviors that customers have when they use our product. And let me give you this example, which is also mentioned in the book. So Marty Cagan gives the example of eBay. So eBay was built as a marketplace and as a platform where people can buy as well as they can sell. So eBay was built with the entire idea of buying and selling, for example, electronics and collectibles, etc. But when they started giving it out to customers to start using, they even started seeing trends in which people started buying and selling cars, and also even to the extent of movie tickets and fine arts. So these were things that they did not anticipate. Of course, they had this particular section where everything else. So they anticipated that apart from whatever categories they feel customers would start buying and selling, there might be certain categories that they did not anticipate people to buy and sell on their platform. But when they started seeing people buying and selling cars, initially it was a setback for the team. Okay, people are kind of buying and selling things like this, tickets and stuff like that. But to their greatest surprise, there were so many buyers and sellers for these cars, and it so happened that eBay became one of the large marketplaces where people could buy and sell their cars. So what Marty Cagan says that it's not every time that you have to kind of take into consideration and see that there is an opportunity with customers misbehavior. Sometimes people can use your product for the wrong purposes. But what is the main idea that we need to pick up from this entire situation? Sometimes you need to observe how customers are using your product. How come they feel that they are able to solve a particular problem of theirs using your solution? And probably if you start identifying patterns and trends in how they use the product and their behavior, probably there can be an opportunity for you, same as what eBay did. So it's very important that you start, at least apart from understanding and empathizing with customers, it's very important that even you start observing their behaviors and how people become innovative with your product that we never even anticipated our product to even function. So that's something about customer behavior. I hope you got some information on what customer misbehavior and what's the power of it when it comes to product management and getting ideas and finding opportunities. So if you like this video, please do give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.